How long should I heat up my overnight oats?
Welcome to this quick tutorial on heating up your overnight oats. In just a few minutes, you'll learn the ideal time and method for warming up your delicious breakfast. Let's get started.
What are overnight oats?
Overnight oats are a popular and healthy breakfast option made by soaking rolled oats in liquid, usually milk or yogurt, and leaving them in the fridge overnight. They can be enjoyed cold or warm, depending on your preference.
Do I need to heat up my overnight oats?
No, you don't need to heat up your overnight oats, as they can be enjoyed straight from the fridge. However, if you prefer a warm and comforting breakfast, feel free to heat them up.
How long should I heat up my overnight oats?
To heat up your overnight oats, 1. In the microwave. Transfer your oats to a microwave-safe container and heat on high for 45 to 60 seconds. Stir, and if needed, heat for an additional 15 to 30 seconds until you reach your desired temperature. 2. On the stovetop. Pour your oats into a small saucepan and warm over medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Be careful not to overheat, as this can make the oats too thick or dry.
Can I add toppings after heating?
Absolutely. Feel free to add your favorite toppings such as fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of honey after heating up your overnight oats. This will add extra flavor, texture, and nutrients to your meal. Now you know how long to heat up your overnight oats for a warm and satisfying breakfast. Remember, 45 to 60 seconds in the microwave or 3 to 5 minutes on the stovetop should do the trick. Enjoy your delicious and healthy meal.